So this is general knowledge class, unit 1. In that, eighth chapter is going on. What is the name of the chapter? Rewarding excellence. Okay, rewarding excellence. What does it mean? What does it mean? Rewarding excellence का meaning क्या होता है? In your own words. You can also raise your hands, okay, to give the answers. Okay, awards. Correct. Rewarding excellence यानी we give awards. That means we are giving the award for the excellence in different fields. Now the fields might be different government services or in sports. Okay, like this different fields we are giving the awards. That is called as rewarding excellence. Okay, so can you see the image on the screen? What is that? Which award it is? Which award it is? It is Bharat Ratna. Okay, it is the highest civilian award of India. Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award of India. So we will see about this award first. Now Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian honor given for exceptional service towards advancement of art, literature, science, and recognition of public service of the highest order. तो भारत रत्न के बारे में हमको क्या पता होना चाहिए? इट इज द हाईएस्ट सिविलियन ऑनर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इससे बड़ा कोई अवार्ड नहीं है इंडिया में. इट इज द हाईएस्ट सिविलियन ऑनर. दूसरी बात, इट इज गिवन फॉर एक्सेप्शनल सर्विस इन द फील्ड ऑफ आर्ट, लिटरेचर, साइंस and in recognition of public service. Okay, so in such field we get Bharat Ratna. Can you tell me who got the Bharat Ratna? Anyone who received Bharat Ratna? Any famous person of India जो आपको पता हो जिनको भारत रत्न मिला है? मैरी कॉम. ओके, अगेन भारत रत्न. डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अंबेडकर, रतन टाटा. यू आर जस्ट टेलिंग मी द नेम्स ऑफ फेमस पर्सन. ओके, सबको भारत रत्न मिला ऐसा नहीं है. रिसेंट सचिन तेंदुलकर को मिला है, नो डाउट. सचिन तेंदुलकर हैज गॉट द भारत रत्न. ओके, recently which former president of India got the Bharat Ratna? Recently which former president of India got? Pranav Mukherjee. Correct. प्रणव मुखर्जी को भारत रत्न रिसेंटली मिला है. ओके, अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी को भी मिला है, बट रिसेंटली प्रणव मुखर्जी को मिला है. Okay, so what you have to remember regarding Bharat Ratna? Yes, anyone can tell me. Raise the hand and tell me what you have to remember regarding Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian honor. It is given in the field of arts. Yes, Palak, bolo.
Yes, sir. Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian honor, and it is exceptional service towards advancement of art, literature, and science. And it is also recognition of public service of the highest order.
Okay, so you have to keep this image also in your mind. Okay, this is the image of Bharat Ratna. See the next point regarding Bharat Ratna. It is also not mandatory that Bharat Ratna be awarded every year. ऐसा नहीं है कि भारत रत्न का अवार्ड हर साल दिया जाता है. It is not mandatory. It is not compulsory that Bharat Ratna should be given every year. Okay, 2 साल में 3 साल में भी दिया जाता है. The provision of Bharat Ratna was introduced in 1954. यानी भारत रत्न जो अवार्ड है वो कब से स्टार्ट हुआ है? फ्रॉम 1954. यानी 1954 में सबसे पहला भारत रत्न दिया गया था. और किसको दिया गया था सबसे पहला भारत रत्न? हु गॉट द फर्स्ट भारत रत्न इन इंडिया? Yes. Yes, Yuvraj. Yuvraj.
सर बाबा साहेब आंबेडकर.
No, beta. Akshara. Yes, Akshara. Akshara. Akshara Sanab, can you hear me? यथार्थ बोलो.
सर मदर टेरेसा.
Wrong, beta. Pranav Darbatswar, your answer is correct.
सर मैं आई टेल.
What's your name?
राजा गोपालाचारी.
No, beta, it's wrong. CV Raman. Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman. CV Raman. Okay. CV Raman is the person who got the first Bharat Ratna in India. Okay. CV Raman को मिला है first Bharat Ratna in India. CV Raman is the person who got the Nobel Prize also. Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize. It is given internationally all over the world. Nobel Prize. Okay. Nobel Prize in Physics. सीवी रमन जी को नोबेल प्राइज इन फिजिक्स भी मिला है और पहला भारत रत्न मिला है. भारत रत्न की शुरुआत कब से हुई थी? 1954 से. सो व्हाट ऑल पॉइंट्स you have to keep in mind? Yes, can anyone tell me in short? Yes, Divyal.
Yes, sir. Means Bharat Ratna is highest civilian honor. Bharat Ratna awarded be every year.
It is not mandatory to award Bharat Ratna every year. It is not compulsory to give Bharat Ratna every year. Yes, आगे.
Yes, sir. Sir, Bharat Ratna was introduced in 1954.
Okay,
The
आगे.
first to receive award was Chandrasekhar Raman, C.V. Raman.
And CV Raman is the person who got the Nobel Prize in Physics also. Okay.
Sir, APJ Abdul Kalam also got na Bharat Ratna.
Yes, yes. APJ Abdul Kalam also has received Bharat Ratna.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is all about the Bharat Ratna. तो आपको पता है अभी भारत रत्न कब दिया जाता है. Okay. So next award. Shall we move to the next award? See, Pranav Mukherjee, ये recently देखो, भूपेन हजारिका, नानाजी देशमुख और प्रणव मुखर्जी, इन लोगों को भारत रत्न दिया गया. अगर आपको लेटेस्ट में अगर जानकारी रखना है कि किन लोगों को भारत रत्न मिला था, it was in 2019. These three people got Bharat Ratna. Okay. Pranav Mukherjee, Bhupen Hazarika, and Nanaji Deshmukh. Okay, you can remember the name, you can by heart the names also. Pranav Mukherjee is our former president. Everyone knows him. Okay, next award. Now this is which award? Yes, can anyone tell me looking at the image which award it is? Which award it is? Arjun Award. Okay, most of you gave the correct answer. Yes, it is Arjun Award. Okay, so first of all, we will see when Arjun Award is given and when was it started. Arjun Award is one of the famous sports award given to the individuals for their exemplary performance in various sports. The Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India extends this award. So Arjun Award is related to sports. Okay. अगर आप स्पोर्ट्स में अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस दोगे तो you will get Arjun Award, and Arjun Award is given by Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs. Okay, Arjun Award is given by Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs. By the way, can you tell me who is the Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs? Who is the Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs? Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs. Yes. Anyone can give the answer? Yes. Yes, Divyal, bolo.
No, sir, I don't know his name.
You should know it because it is general knowledge. Okay, Palak. Palak, can you tell me who is the Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs?
Sir Anurup Thakur.
What happened? Drink water. Anurag Thakur. Yes, correct. It is Anurag Thakur. So remember the name Anurag Thakur. Okay. He is the Minister of Sports. Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs. Okay. So you should know the name of all the ministers. Okay. तो अभी जैसे जैसे आएंगे सामने हमारे जीके के सिलेबस में मैं हर बार आपको बताते जाऊंगा कि दिस मिनिस्टर इज दिस. ओके. So here Anurag Thakur is the Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs. So Arjun Award कब दिया जाता है? Yes, can anyone tell me in simple words when we give Arjun Award? Vaishnavi, yes, बोलो वैष्णवी. अर्जुन अवार्ड कब?
Sir, the Ministry of Sport and Youth Affairs.
नहीं नहीं, it is given by this ministry, but when they give this award?
Outstanding achievements in national sports.
Exemplary performance in various sports. Okay, different sports are there. Yes, can anyone give me the examples of different sports जो आपको पता हो? Okay, javelin throw, wrestling, cricket, hockey, kabaddi, running. Running comes under athletics, beta. Football. Javelin throw. Recently, India got a gold medal in javelin throw in Olympic Games. Okay, what is the name of that person who received the gold medal? Neeraj Chopra. You should know him because he made us proud. All the Indians made us, for all the Indians, he made us proud. Neeraj Chopra, javelin throw, he got the gold medal. Okay. So Arjun Award भी मिलेगा उसको, no doubt, when he will. Okay, Arjun Award is given to promote sports in India by motivating the sports person for their fantastic performance. Okay. So Arjun Award is given to promote sports by motivating the sports person for their fantastic performance. Now see, these are the name of the person who got recently the Arjun Award. Okay. Just for your general knowledge, you can write it down and remember it. Okay. आर्चरी में देखो आंतु दास को मिला है. आंतु दास को रिसेंटली 2020 में आर्चरी में आंतु दास को अर्जुन अवार्ड मिला है. एथलेटिक्स में द्यूते चांद को अर्जुन अवार्ड मिला है. बैडमिंटन में सत्विक साईराज रनकी रेड्डी को. ओके. These are some of the names who received the Arjun Award recently. If you want, you can take the screenshot also of it. क्रिकेट में दीप्ति शर्मा, ओके, और ईशांत शर्मा. ये मेल में है. दिस इज इन मेल and this is in female cricket team. Okay. Ishant Sharma in male and Deepti Sharma in female cricket team got the Arjun Award recently in the year 2020. It is one type of sport, equestrian. I don't know regarding that, but I will let you know. Okay. Okay, which type of award this is? Which type of award? Looking at the image, which award it is? Yes, can anyone identify which award it is? Yes, Om Jadhav. Om
Yes,
Jadhav.
sir. Dronacharya Award.
Oh, very nice. It is Dronacharya Award, correct. Okay, Dronacharya Award. So Dronacharya in India, the Dronacharya Award is given to the coaches. Okay. Why Dronacharya Award is given to the coaches? Who was Dronacharya?
Sir, because Dronacharya was a teacher.
He was the teacher. Okay, he was the guide. और किसका गाइड था द्रोणाचार्य? Who was his student?
Sir Arjun.
Okay, Arjun. Correct. So द्रोणाचार्य teached Arjun. क्या सिखाया द्रोणाचार्य ने अर्जुन को?
वो सर वो मतलब तलवार बाण वो सब.
Okay. Archery. Many of you are saying archery. Okay. Okay, fine. So Dronacharya was the guru. Arjun was the student of him. And Dronacharya award is that's why given to coaches. Coaches क्या करते हैं? ये guide करते हैं उनके student को. Different.
Sir, this is for sports coaches only, na?
Yes, sports coaches only. Sports में ही coaches होते हैं बेटा. Okay. So in India, Dronacharya Award is given to coaches as a recognition for their contribution to a particular sport or for their role in an athlete's rise to the top. So Dronacharya Award किसको दिया जाता है? Coaches को दिया जाता है. बस आपको इतना ध्यान में रखना है. It is also given to motivate coaches to dedicate themselves to rising the performance of their athletes to international standards. तो ये कोचेस को भी सम्मान मिलना चाहिए ना, क्योंकि डेफिनेटली वो लोग अपने स्टूडेंट्स को अच्छे से ट्रेन करते हैं ताकि वो स्टूडेंट्स इंटरनेशनली जाके इंडिया का नाम रोशन कर सके. तो कोचेस को भी एक एप्रिसिएशन मिलना चाहिए. इस वजह से द्रोणाचार्य अवार्ड स्टार्ट किया गया. ओके, इज इट क्लियर टू यू?
Sir, Ravi Shastri has get Dronacharya Award because he is India coach, India cricket team coach.
Okay, correct. Ravi Shastri got the Dronacharya award because he was the coach of Indian cricket team. Okay, by the way, mute yourself, Om Jadhav. I will ask one question. Can anyone tell me what is the full form of BCCI? What is the full form of BCCI? What is the full form of BCCI? Yes, Palak, bolo.
Sir, the full form is Board of Control for Cricket.
Board of Control for Cricket in India. Okay, BCCI का
Yes.
full form है
Yes.
Board of Control for Cricket in India, because cricket is very famous sport in India. So you should know it. Huh? What is the full form of BCCI? Okay, everyone knows the captain of Indian cricket team. Who is the captain? Virat Kohli. Okay. Now tell me, who is the captain of Indian women cricket team? Who is the captain of Indian women cricket team? Yes, only Colors gave the answer. Mithali Raj, correct. Mithali Raj is the captain of Indian women cricket team. So Dronacharya Award के बारे में आपको क्या पता होना चाहिए? It is given to coaches because they train their students. So as a honor of appreciation, Dronacharya Award is given to the coaches. It is handed out. अभी ये द्रोणाचार्य अवार्ड कब दिया जाता है? नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे को दिया जाता है. When is National Sports Day? This month only. Okay, it is coming 29th of August. Okay, National Sports Day. Why we celebrate 29th of August as National Sports Day? Yes. Why we celebrate 29th August as National Sports Day? Yes, anyone? Yes, Shravani, can you tell me? Yes. हाँ अक्षरा बोलो.
So because Dhyan Chand got the award on that day. It is Dhyan Chand's birthday.
Who was Dhyan Chand? Yes, Vinay Patil. Vinay Patil.
Sir, Dhyan Chand was a hockey player.
Okay, very famous hockey player. Very
Yes,
famous
sir.
hockey player. Yani he was very good at his game in hockey. Okay, so that's why we celebrate National Sports Day on 29th of August, because it is the birthday of the legendary Dhyan Chand. Okay, 29th of August को ध्यानचंद जी का जन्म हुआ था, तो that day we celebrate National Sports Day. Okay, every year along with, अभी ये देखो, द्रोणाचार्य अवार्ड, अर्जुन अवार्ड और राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न अवार्ड, ये सारे अवार्ड जो है, ये ध्यानचंद अवार्ड, ये सारे नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे के दिन दिए जाते हैं. तो नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे के दिन कौन से अवार्ड दिए जाते हैं? इफ दे आस्क यू, सो यू शुड रिमेंबर द्रोणाचार्य अवार्ड, अर्जुन अवार्ड, राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न अवार्ड एंड ध्यानचंद अवार्ड. These awards are given by the Indian government on National Sports Day. Again, who will give this award? These awards will be given by Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs. Who is the minister? Who is the minister? Anurag Thakur is the minister. Okay. Who is this? Harshvardhan Jadhav, what's your problem? Yes, Harshvardhan. Harshvardhan Jadhav. What's your problem?
सर राजीव गांधी को अभी मिस्टर ध्यानचंद अवार्ड के उसको मिस्टर ध्यानचंद अवार्ड बना दिए है ना सर.
अभी रिसेंटली चेंजेस किया होगा, तो आई डोंट नो रिगार्डिंग दैट, बट दिस आर द.
सर
हाँ,
राजीव गांधी अवार्ड नहीं है.
ओके फाइन, दे चेंज द नेम्स. जैसे देखो, इलाहाबाद का नया नाम है प्रयागराज, ऐसे नाम चेंज करने का ट्रेडिशन चालू है अभी नाउअडेज. ओके, इलाहाबाद इज वन ऑफ द सिटी ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश. ओके, सो उसका नया नाम है प्रयागराज. ऐसे नेम चेंजिंग चालू है अभी, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट प्लेसेस का, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट अवार्ड्स का. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, इट माइट हैव चेंज्ड, आई डोंट नो रिगार्डिंग दैट. सो द्रोणाचार्य अवार्ड के बारे में आपको क्या ध्यान रखना है? इट इज गिवन टू द कोचेस and it is given on National Sports Day. National Sports Day is celebrated on 29th of August and it is given by the Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs. Who is the minister? Anurag Thakur is the minister. Okay, now this award, which is this award? Which is this award? It is displayed on your screen. Which award it is? It is Ashok Chakra, correct. Now different chakra, they are given for military services. Okay, they are given for armed forces personals. So this is Ashok Chakra, correct. Now the Ashok Chakra award for gallantry was instituted by the President of India on 4th of January 1952. तो कब से स्टार्ट हुआ है अशोक चक्र? हम लोग कब से देते हैं? 4th January 1952 से. ओके, 4th January 1952. In 3 categories it was given. First was class 1, class 2 and class 3. Okay, in 3 categories this award was given depending on the eligibility of that person. जैसे कुछ लोग हायर पोजीशन पे काम करते हैं, कुछ लोग class 2 और कुछ लोग class 3 के पोजीशन पे काम करते हैं. According to that it was given previously, but now they have changed on 27th of January. Okay, very important date, huh? 27th of January, because it's my birthday. Okay, 1967 the 3 categories were renamed as Ashok Chakra. फिर ये क्लास 1, क्लास 2 और क्लास 3 को क्या कर दिया उन्होंने? उनको नया नाम दे दिया अशोक चक्र. उसके बाद कीर्ति चक्र और शौर्य चक्र. Okay. अशोक चक्र, कीर्ति चक्र और शौर्य चक्र रिस्पेक्टिवली। तो क्लास 1, क्लास 2, क्लास 3 को हटा के, वो बहुत ऑड लगता है, क्लास 1, क्लास 2, क्लास 3, तो उनको एक अच्छा नाम दिया है, अशोक चक्र, कीर्ति चक्र और शौर्य चक्र। ओके। ऑन 75th इंडिपेंडेंस डे, अभी किसको मिला है रिसेंटली अशोक चक्र? वी विल सी दैट ऑन 75th इंडिपेंडेंस डे असिस्टेंट सब इंस्पेक्टर बाबूराम, okay, assistant sub inspector Baburam and constable Altaf Hussain Bhatt of Jammu and Kashmir police, okay, got Ashok Chakra and Kirti Chakra. तो अशोक चक्र मिला है बाबूराम जी को और अल्ताफ हुसैन भट्ट को मिला है कीर्ति चक्र. सो यू शुड रिमेंबर द नेम. ओके, अशोक चक्र मिला है बाबूराम जी को और कीर्ति चक्र मिला है कांस्टेबल अल्ताफ हुसैन भट्ट फ्रॉम जम्मू एंड कश्मीर पुलिस. Okay, and what posthumously means? What does this word mean? Posthumously. Posthumously means what? This word. What is the meaning of this word? No, it is wrong. What does this word mean? Posthumously. Recently, wrong. मरणोपरांत मिला है, after the death. After the death. This is the meaning of this word. Marnoprant. Okay. Means they died in some operation in Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. And for that brave operation, they got this gallantry award. Babu Ram ji, who is the assistant sub inspector, and constable Altaf Hussain Bhatt, they got the award Ashok Chakra and Kirti Chakra. Okay. For serving the country. They lost their lives there. Okay. In some operation. I don't know what was the operation. We don't know regarding that, but they lost their lives there. Okay, for our country. So they are given this award Ashoka Chakra and Kirti Chakra posthumously. Posthumously means after the death. Marnoprant. Okay, so what you have to remember regarding Ashoka Chakra? Yes, who will tell me in short? What you have to remember regarding Ashoka Chakra? Sorry, Ashoka Chakra. Yes. Yes, bolo Riddhi Mantri. Riddhi Mantri. Come on. Riddhi Mantri. Okay, Divyal, bolo.
Yes, sir. Ashok Chakra award by the Gallantry Institute by the President of India on 4th January 1952. It is divided into 3 categories, namely Class 1, 2 and Class 3. And sir, on 27th January 1967, the 3 categories were renamed as Ashoka Chakra, Kirti Chakra and Shaurya Chakra. On 75th Independence Day, Assistant Sub Inspector Babu Ram and Altaf Hussain Bhatt of Jammu Kashmir Police got Ashok Chakra and Kirti Chakra after the death.
Okay, correct. So this is the image of Ashoka Chakra. Okay. Okay, next award. Which is this award? Which is this award? Come on, tell fast. We have last 6 minutes only. Which is this award? Paramveer. Okay, it is Paramveer Chakra, no doubt. So when we give Paramveer Chakra, PVC is the short form, is the highest gallantry award for officers and other enlisted personnel of all military branches of India for the highest degree of valor in the presence of the enemy. It was introduced on 26th of January 1950. This award may be given posthumously also. ओके, पोस्थुमसली का मीनिंग मैंने आपको बताया है. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो वन अवार्ड, परमवीर चक्र. दिस इज गिवन टू आवर मिलिट्री पर्सनल्स, या फिर पुलिस पर्सनल्स, या फिर आर्मी पर्सनल्स. ओके, those who are related in defense fields of India. Okay, this award is given Paramveer Chakra for their best performance. Okay, for their good work in their different fields. So it was introduced on 26th of January 1950. What is the speciality of 26th of January 1950? What is the speciality of 26th of January 1950? It is our Republic Day, and our Constitution came into force from this date, 26th of January 1950. Okay. So this day is very important. Literally, Paramveer Chakra means the wheel of ultimate brave. परमवीर चक्र को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? व्हील ऑफ अल्टीमेट ब्रेव. इन संस्कृत परम मीन्स अल्टीमेट, वीर मीन्स ब्रेव. ओके, आपको पता होगा ये वीर, हम लोग ब्रेव पर्सन को ही वीर बोलते हैं. एंड चक्र मीन्स व्हील. ओके, नेक्स्ट अवार्ड. विच इज दिस अवार्ड? नेक्स्ट अवार्ड, विच इज दिस अवार्ड? Okay, this is जीवन रक्षा पदक. जीवन रक्षा पदक is given for civilians. अगर सपोज यहाँ पे in my surrounding if something happens, जैसे कि कोई दुर्घटना हो जाती है और वहां पे अगर मैं किसी की लाइफ सेव करता हूँ, if I save any person's life, so as a part of appreciation, government give us जीवन रक्षा पदक. Okay, it is for civilians. This award is for civilians. जीवन रक्षा पदक is awarded to civilians to reward saving lives from droving, फायर, माइन एक्सीडेंट्स. अभी रिसेंटली आपको पता है कि बाढ़ आई थी बहुत से रीजन्स में महाराष्ट्र के, तो वहां पे जो लोग अच्छा काम करते हैं, किसी की लाइफ बचाते हैं, तो फॉर देम वी गिव जीवन रक्षा पदक एज अ पार्ट ऑफ एप्रिसिएशन. ओके, सो दिस इज द इमेज ऑफ जीवन रक्षा पदक. ओके, नेक्स्ट very famous award and very important award. Which is this award? Arya, it is not Oscar. It is an Indian person. Oscar is given internationally. Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Correct. He is the person, Dada Saheb Phalke. Okay. So Dada Saheb Phalke Award, it is related to cinema. Okay. So Dada Saheb Phalke Award is India's highest award in cinema and is presented annually at the National Films Award ceremony by the Directorate of Film Festival, an organization set up by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Okay, so Dada Saheb Phalke Award, it is the highest award in what? It is the highest award in cinema. Okay, this is the person, this is Dada Saheb Phalke. He has contributed a lot for the Indian film industry. So on the name of him, Dada Saheb Phalke Award is given. Okay. The very first recipient of this award was Devika Rani. Okay, first person जिसको Dada Saheb Phalke Award मिला है, it is Devika Rani in 1969 on the occasion of 17th National Film Award. ओके, हर साल फिल्म अवार्ड होते हैं, नेशनल फिल्म अवार्ड हर साल होते हैं. सो फर्स्ट जो मिला है दादा साहेब फाल्के अवार्ड, वो किसको मिला है? देविका रानी. आप डी पे से ध्यान में रख सकते हो. ओके, दादा साहेब फाल्के अवार्ड also starts from D and the name of the person also starts from D. Okay, so Devika Rani, Dada Saheb Phalke is known as the father of Indian cinema. He is also known as the father of Indian cinema. He made India's first full-length feature film, Raja Harishchandra, in 1913. Okay, so Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Last award, which is this award? This is Sangeet Natak Academy Award. Okay, now आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा, संगीत यानी म्यूजिक और ड्रामा से रिलेटेड, नाटक यानी ड्रामा, म्यूजिक एंड ड्रामा के फील्ड में यह अवार्ड दिया जाता है. नाम पे से भी आपको समझ में आता है कि कौन सा अवार्ड किस चीज के लिए दिया जाता है. Sangeet Natak Academy Award is the highest national recognition given to practicing artists, gurus, and scholars. It carries a purse money of 1 lakh. So how much amount we get? We get 1 lakh rupees, a shawl, and Tamrapatra. Okay, Tamrapatra is nothing but a brass plaque. Okay, the number of awards given annually is 33. At present, until date, over 1000 artists have been awarded this Sangeet Natak Academy Award. I will share you the PDF after the session. You go through the PDF. You will complete that chapter, unit 1, chapter 8. You will write down the answers for it in your GK book now. I have explained you each and every award. You will complete it, unit 1, chapter 8. You will write all the answers for it. I have explained you each and every award.